Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Let me see if I can see the brand. I don't even know what brand is. I always forget about it. I always start the video and I forgot to check. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to fix anything. I don't try to teach you anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough for them. Makita, DPC 73, I guess 01. Also going to do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final. Okay guys, so far, in case you're new in my store, I take everything apart. I want to put everything back. The handle works. So far it's working. I don't know if it's 100%, but it's working. But right here, the springs, you can see it's rusty. You see the spring give up and not gonna coming back. That's why I can do a test. But what I did is, since I have this here, I did a test trying to accelerate here, but I don't see it trying to get a spot or anything. I don't know if it's a cable or something, or maybe this is not the right way to do it. But when I went like that, I didn't see no spot. Okay. And then I don't know if it's the coil. It doesn't look that good. When you look at it, it looks dirty. Maybe it's the coil is dirty. You need to do a cleanup. It doesn't look good from here. You see, maybe it's burned out. You see a little here. I don't know if that has to do with something, but so far, it's not doing anything. Now let's come from over here. Let me open a little. Remember, guys, I'm doing it with one hand. Okay. Alright, let me see if I can get you with more light. No, I cannot see that good. Alright, you see it there? It's dirty, the ring inside. I'm gonna move it, okay? Yeah, it's dirty, you see, you need to either change it or clean up. Look at that. I cannot see it over there on the end, but when I throw the pictures with the flash, it's gonna be better, okay? I guess the light is not enough to go inside there. You know what? If I take this spark plug, yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna take this spark plug, like that little light will come in. Let me see. Oh no. No, it didn't. Let me go by the top. Okay, it looks a little better. Let me see the size. I don't know if you can see that much. Oh, right there looks better. Oh, I almost got it there. Let me move it a little bit. Maybe with the light going in and out, the camera will work a little better. Okay, you see it there. All right, guys, I'm gonna put everything back. Remember, sell for parts. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Okay, I'm gonna throw good pictures everywhere before I put it back. Like that, you look at it. You got right here okay, I'm gonna put it. All right, guys, thank you. Any questions on here? Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Ya vieron ya. No sé qué le pasa a mi member. Discúlpenme que estoy haciendo este video. Yo no estoy tratando de enseñarles nada ni arreglar nada. Recuerden que esto es para enseñar mis equipos que yo vendo en mi tienda. Me parece que es el código que no está funcionando. Yo le di con esta pistola. Yo nunca he sido muy fan de dar cuenta con el de eso. Pero como no puedo porque el muelle aquí se rompieron los dos, no, dejándolo no va a funcionar. Lógico. Yo le di con eso, pero no vi que el código hizo nada. No sé si es normal, pero bueno. Se ve que ahí está el carburador sucio un poquito. Me da a entender que está bien tupidita. Pero bueno, ya saben, yo vendo para partes. Cualquier preguntita aquí estoy. Si tienen una duda o algo, suscríbanse a mi canal o háganme cualquier pregunta. Escriban un like. Thank you, mi gente. Que se una la raza.